Hello, everyone, and welcome to a brand new episode of Orvita Podcast. My name is Manas. I'm your host of this podcast, the one with the least will to live. And with me is joining my co host, the one, the pure one, the holistic one, the one who recently got some enlightenment. Please welcome Nitya Bhatia. Woohoo! Nitya, it's your cue.
Hey
Nitya.
guys, I am so pure all of a sudden, and a lot of spiritual enlightenment that I've received because I was out for a spiritual retreat with my family. Don't ask why. And it started with 5 days and it got extended. And every day Manas is like, "Are you coming back? Are you planning to shift there? How are we going to do the podcast together?" And I was like, "No, no, dude, I'll be back. I'll be back." And finally it became a 12 to 13-day trip.
I'll tell you guys.
So a lot of wisdom I've gained over these last few weeks and a lot of new learnings. It was a very significant symbolic trip
I'll no, one
and met
second
some amazing
before
people.
before
Yeah.
she goes ahead with the lies. I'll tell you something. She was supposed to go. She was supposed to
Go
leave for
ahead.
3 or 4 days. 5 days maximum. And then we had 2 weeks in advance. I was like, it's fine. She can take time off. I'll have some time to myself. I'll get a good break from her. Time to. I'll also get some.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So I thought it's finally
Break
time.
from me.
And then 5 days became 6 days, and then 7 days, and I'm like, one second, what is she looking
And
for?
then Manas started missing me terribly, which he will not admit. So he started having withdrawal symptoms, and then he was like, "Oh my God, when is
Mm-hmm.
she going to come back?"
Yeah,
So yeah, I mean, aren't you privileged? Yeah.
let's go with this. So, anyway,
Mm-hmm.
Nitya, it's been almost 3 weeks since our first episode aired, and we have not recorded since because you have been, doing your own thing, and also because, guys, I
I was
had a
out.
major backache because I have been carrying the entire load of this podcast on my back, so it finally got me.
Yeah, I was too busy. I was too busy doing satsangs in my life, so I was too busy with that.
Anyway, so
And
Nitya,
yeah.
have you received any sort of feedback? How are you feeling? I know I want to know everything, even though you have told me everything, but audience want to know.
Well, feedback about the podcast. Yes. So when the second episode came out, which is the last episode that came out since, there were like 4 5 people
शर्म नहीं आती
who
देखो,
are
मतलब
like
कि मतलब शर्म देखो चली गई, आंखों से चली गई.
so there were like 5 6 people who listen to a podcast very religiously, and I'm very grateful for them. And those people actually were curious. They were like wondering. They like asked me with curiosity and concern. They're like, "Are you guys a thing? Are you guys dating? Are you involved? Like, were you guys a thing before you started doing this podcast?" And one of them was also a relative of mine, and I was like, no. And they're like, no, because we just saw you guys had this you guys were like vibing and laughing, and you shared the same sort of humor and had similar mental wavelength about things, so we thought that maybe you guys are a thing. And I was like, no, we're really good friends, and that's what we are. So I was also wondering if you were asked any of these
I mean,
questions or
it's a
not.
I do get it, but not like directly. I usually get from the other side that, oh, people are shipping me with you. And the funny thing is, look at my face, guys. Do you
Yeah.
think I can land anybody? The funny thing is,
Yes.
no, but like in life, it's such a funny thing because I usually connect with, I usually have friends who are girls, and usually, and that has been the pattern like since the beginning, since
That's
I've
pretty
been
evident.
since like LKG, UKG. Like I've always had like friends who have been my girls, my best friends, and everything. And even like when came to Gurgaon, even in school, people used to assume the same thing. And the girl who's now Nitya, and Miss, the shy sweet girl who's like "मुझे शर्म आ रही है." This person assumed the same thing about
I
me.
don't sound like that.
Sure. She's the same person who assumed the same thing about me. Few weeks back, we met her finally after 2 years, and and she brought up somehow, I used to think that you and Kritika used to date. I'm like, yeah, we used to date, and
What?
finally she got her cue.
Okay, so
Like, see, one
first of all,
second,
Seriously,
Manas,
Nitya?
Nitya, what is this alien voice? Who's this? Please introduce yourself. कितना
I
गंदा
think I think
That's
you
इंसान.
prayed for
me,
Kritika a bit too
apparently
hard.
your girlfriend.
The thing
Ooh,
is,
I'm jealous.
but thing is, Kritika and I were just not in relationship. We were in actually. It was few people, like eight of us were in polygamy. Megha, Kritika, we were all like since our school we have been together. Megha, this is your cue. Megha,
What?
Hi, Megha.
kitna
Oh my God,
Hello.
guys, we have international audience. We've got Megha from Canada. So what's up,
and we have Ranchi,
yo?
I
we have Mumbai audience as well.
I think I
Amchi,
think
Mumbai.
I've finally made it in life. Like this was my dream to be a guest on this Orbita podcast, and I'm
Oh
so
my God.
overwhelmed right now. I mean, thanks, guys.
So much,
That is so
guys. Thanks.
moving.
Thanks for
That
the
is so
honor.
moving. Oh my God.
This is
Guys,
going
it's
in my
I'm
resume.
I'm gonna tear up.
Thank you.
guys,
Totally.
Yeah.
it's a sensory overload for people who are just like listening on Spotify who have no idea what's going on, like random voices coming in. Guys, please introduce
Sorry,
yourself.
guys.
It's okay. Megha, go ahead. Introduce yourself.
Hi. So I was privileged enough to meet Manas back in his high school days. Now that he's a famous podcaster, I hope that's a word
YouTuber.
because I've
YouTube.
been told I've been YouTuber. Okay, YouTuber,
Yeah, yeah.
and we have been best friends since then. The rest is history.
Wow.
Kritika, please take the stage. Introduce yourself.
Yes. Yeah, so I was also one of the people along with Megha who have had the so-called privilege of knowing Manas for around 13 years now. And
Wow.
also allegedly his girlfriend as per Nitya. So
So okay, I mean I must confess how that assumption was made. Guys, this is exactly what
I
I'm
don't
talking
think
about. How
I
we
don't think we
assume.
need that. I don't think we need that.
no, but I want to know why.
No. I have a confession to make. Okay, so me, Manas, and Kritika were volunteering together at this organization, and that's where I saw Manas and Kritika used to enter together and leave together. They were talking to each other all the time, and they were spending all the time together, and they were teaching art collectively and everything. So I saw them doing all the activities together, and somehow I just assumed they're dating. Not once did I think that they could be best friends or they could be siblings. But it's just how we're conditioned to believe that if a guy and we're conditioned to believe that if a guy and girl are hanging out and like laughing and they have this chemistry going on, then they're just dating or they're in a relationship. So that is an assumption a lot of people tend to make, and so did I. And therefore Manas was totally shocked and scarred when I told him that last time. But yeah.
Yeah, so I'll tell you what
You
was the
know,
actual reality was. So Megha and Kritika joined this NGO, and I was like, "You 1 second, they have joined it, so I have to join as well." So like so Kritika was the only person I knew of, okay, and I had nothing like I wouldn't bring any sort of thing, and I would just tail and go around, go with Kritika. She would bring all the materials, so of course, and the other people were quite pricey, and
Ah.
those people, those people
Yeah.
abused me
So Kritika was an
physically.
improvement to all the other people.
खाने
And therefore
भागते थे,
you were
मजाक
yeah.
नहीं कर रहा, लिटरली खाने भागते थे. I have scars. I don't have it anymore, but I had scars mentally and
I
physically.
know who gave them to you.
We all know that.
We all know.
Anyway, so that's the only reason.
I feel so out of this
Left out.
conversation right now. Yeah.
Good.
What is this?
There, Megha, there.
But that has been the case, I guess, since what do you call it, like school, right? We used to get the same thing. I was bullied because I was friends with them. People used to assume that since I could be that we had a thing, Megha had a thing, or Kritika ke saath nahi tha because we were not that close. Kritika was Megha's best friend, and I was like, ठीक है ये भी है तो आइए तो आजा. होता नहीं क्या तो bond
And
free
it's
free
yeah,
container
and
आता
it's
हम रख
so
लेते हैं. Kritika's face.
exactly.
Anyway,
It was Megha and me in the beginning. You were just like a third wheel, and
sure.
Wow, so you actually gave him like a place to stay. You actually included him in your little group.
Not so
Obviously.
little group.
But
Not so little
did
group.
anybody? But I want to ask you, Megha,
Mhm.
since Manas befriended you first,
Yeah.
that didn't people assume in the beginning that maybe you and Manas are a thing because you guys were like hanging out and
Yeah.
everything?
It was actually the other way around. So this, I mean, obviously this cute looking guy, he comes like in the middle of our so I'm like, okay,
we're
I
talking
have to
about
be
Manas here.
yeah.
Oh yeah,
So-
he's supposed to be cute.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
he,
I
like
feel
he did
confident
not
now.
look like he did not look like he was 13 years old at all. So I'm like, I have to be friends with this guy. He was this like he used to watch Hannah Montana, that sort of like I have to be friends with this cool
In
kid.
Hindi, guys, in Hindi, yes.
In Hindi, yes. Yeah,
because that was the
yeah,
only option that we had in India. Okay, back then, like it wasn't a thing ki oh English wala Disney lo ya bolo. It was what we all got. It was the same standard.
Yeah, that's
Everybody.
true.
ये देखो
Anyhow, so I
judgmental लोग आ गए.
decided. Manas, let me speak.
Okay.
Anyhow. I
Yeah.
decided this guy is going to be my friend, and that's when we became partners. Like we used to sit together, and everybody around us assumed that we were dating for some reason, and they would come up to me like, "Oh, okay, so you are dating Manas?" And I'm like, "No, I'm not dating." "Oh, so if you're not dating him, does that mean he's your brother?" I mean, that was
Oh.
such a weird concept, because I mean, just because we are friends doesn't mean it, like there was no middle ground. Either you're dating or the guy has to be your like you like
Yeah.
बोलते हैं उसको मुंह बोला भाई, like you have to
Huh.
tie rakhi and all. Like, no, like I only have one brother and he's my best friend. Like that's where we are.
Like
Yeah,
that
it's
was
like people
weird
just
times.
assume that, or it's we so limited in our thinking. We're so limited to believe that a guy and girl, there's nothing in between.
Mhm.
And I think we are proving that wrong, and we are breaking the trend for anyone who feels that a guy and girl can just be purely friends and nothing more than that.
I don't know. I don't know if the times are changing now, but I remember when we were in high school, it was huge deals made out of if opposite sex were friends with each other. There would be rumors. There would be people about you like this happened.
Very true. Yeah.
But
So it's not just in
And
school for me, yeah, but also in college, my friends would just not assume, but they'll be like, "Oh, you hang out together so much. Why don't you just be in a relation? I mean, you're anyway single, so why don't you and Manas get together?" I'm like,
I
just
get
because I
that. I
like
get
hanging
that.
out with him doesn't mean we
Exactly.
have to be in we are in a friendship. That's a relationship too.
This
Yes.
reminds me of a very recent conversation I had with my sister. Like my cousin sister, I'm really close to her. So she knows that Manas and I have been best friends like for, I don't know, for more than 12 years, 13 years. So randomly last year, she texted me. She's like, Megha, why don't you and Manas date? Like, he's so cute, and you guys have been friends for so long. Like, it would be so perfect if you date. I'm like, no, Didi, I can't. Because I mean, I don't know how to explain this, but when you have known, like when you have been this close to someone for so long, I don't know. For me, I cannot get around the concept of dating, like
Acha,
dating a best friend. I think
so tell me one thing. So the question comes in my mind is like, what if? So first of all, I'll just let's just clear this thing. Do you think can two people of opposite gender can be friends, like
for
close
sure,
friends, like best
Yes.
friend type,
for
Absolutely.
sure, yeah,
right?
for sure.
Okay, let's go around for a second. Nitya, how many guy friends do you have who you are really close to? Mega, one second. These two are
Okay.
laughing. One second. These two are laughing. Mega Kritika, you
Okay.
can answer this.
We're getting cornered here. So Manas is the only reason that I can tell people I have a guy friend. So thank you for filling in that empty spot in my life. And
Yeah.
so you've redefined male friend like friendships for me, and also because I think the whole thing is about internally what you feel towards somebody. And I think it's all to do with, like, I think we've talked about this before, about your intention, the intention you have towards someone. So it's but again, but then that comes back to also how you feel about it. So
Yeah.
yeah,
So
so yeah,
tell me one.
you're
So do you believe that can two people be yes or no? Can you do you believe that people of
yes,
opposite sex can be friends? Okay. Megha, what do you
yes,
believe?
absolutely.
Yes, for sure.
Kritika,
I believe they can
Kritika,
be. I mean,
Yes.
Kritika, क्या मेरे पास option है? I'm an HR. I have to say this. Yes, I believe in equality. I think everything is possible.
And diplomacy.
Anyway,
Yeah.
so the next question is, what if
I
one?
encourage friendship more than relationship, please.
Yeah, we'll come to that. So tell me, do you guys think that if one party, like in opposite sex, if two people are friends, do you think if one party has feelings
Hmm.
for the other one, what would you feel? Would you feel? Do you think that they can be like? Would you encourage them to be in a relationship? Like how would you play that situation? Maybe I'm confusing.
Ah,
I might not have put it properly. What if like two people, like out
Hmm.
of two people, like consider me and Kritika, or you Nitya and Kritika, again different people, opposite sex, again one of you like each other. What would you think? Should the person confess their feelings or no? Like, or they should keep it to yourself? Because I think
I
some.
I think, I mean, if you, again, that, like, this whole question is so subjective. It depends the kind of relationship you have with that like with that person, with that friend.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
I do not believe in, if there's something that you feel for someone, I think you should let them know. Like, there's no point to keep it inside you. I think that's
Yeah.
just, that would just make it worse. Just let the other person
Hmm.
know, and then you take it from there. Like,
What if okay, once again, I think people would assume that he has collected all these people today to try a shot with each and everyone and see what their opinion is, where do they stand, and jahan in kisi ne हाँ bola wahan shot. So the thing is, I like you, please marry me. That would be so funny, man. Anyway,
Basically, you don't want a relationship, Anas. You're like straight away शादी कर लो. That's
हाँ
what
मैं
you.
मजाक नहीं कर रहा, टाइम वेस्ट काय को करना
Yeah,
है.
there are three
One
women who
woman
are totally
man.
out of your league. What are you gonna do? They're totally out of your league.
See, man, I do not make the
Like,
rules. I do
friendship
not.
is the only thing possible.
I'm not the one making the rumors, right? People are assuming, people are shipping me
Hmm.
and you all together. Like, I मेरे
But
को तो
I
कुछ नहीं.
have but I have one thing to say, like to add to what Megha said, that
mhm.
when you asked about what if one friend develops feelings for the other friend. So first is that when the foundation is friendship, it's a great place to start off in any relationship, because you develop a certain comfort with that person if you can be your unvaxxed, unfiltered, raw self, and you don't have to keep thinking twice before saying something, because you have that equation with that person, which can only develop when you're friends with that person. So you get close enough, and you tend to, and it's possible you might develop feelings, but I think it's, and you should not keep them bottled up, because it's normal. But of course you have to take the plunge, because you have to be ready to face the fact that the other person might not have those feelings. And I think many people do not express their feelings is because they're very afraid of losing the friendship in the midst of starting a relationship. And that is why people never admit, because they're so afraid of what if the friendship gets ruined, and sometimes, and the friendship is way more precious than the relationship. So that is why I think people do not admit, and they do not share.
Kritika, what do you think?
uh,
The HR in the
So
group.
I was actually thinking in the same lines of Nitya. See, coming from your first question, yes, a
hmm,
man, I mean, opposite sex can be friends together, but somewhere down the line, I also feel that one of the party would develop feeling for other. Okay,
yeah.
somewhere down
Kritika,
the line,
Kritika, bear
maybe
it all.
in
Bear it
90% of
all.
the
It's
case.
okay, bear it all. It's okay. I will not reject
Not with
you.
you, not with us. It's different. You know that. Yeah, but I've also seen that friendships that have turned into relationships can be one of the strongest ones that
Yeah.
lasts longer. But yeah, for me, I would contemplate, actually, do I want this person in my life as a very good friend, or do I want to take that one step ahead with him and be in
Hmm.
a relationship with him? So it's
Hmm.
a process, I would say, that I
But,
would want to
but,
think it through before taking that leap.
but
Yeah.
my thing
Hmm.
is, what if you actually jeopardize your friendship? That's my
Yeah.
only fear. I think of the what if you confess your feelings. See, tell me one thing. It's a very honest thing. We all are close. Okay, I'm close to each one of you. What if I tell you, ki, Acha, this is the situation. I like you. Nahi lera, don't worry, guys. You all look really tense. अब bomb
No,
फूटेगा.
so
Like
yeah,
Manas,
one
जो
going.
second, one.
बोलना अभी बोल दो, just
Like,
say it.
so my question is, what if I tell you that I like you, ठीक है? And then you're like, कि नहीं नहीं, I don't have the same feeling. Do you think would it be normal after that? Because people usually have this fear,
So
right?
yeah,
Yeah.
like I said before, like, this whole situation is so subjective. So let's take you, for example, you and I. Okay, so
Oh, man.
you
Okay.
Okay, so you come up to me and you're like, "Hey, Megha, I like you. I've been in love with you because you're so perfect." Yeah,
You चल
but
ना ये
True
देख
story,
पानी
guys. True
पुलाव
story.
देख
I was there.
ये देख
anyhow, that's not the point, guys. That's not the point. Anyhow, uh, so I feel because both of us, like, we have such strong bond. Even if you do come to me and you're like, you have these, like, I have developed these kind of feelings, I don't think it would affect our friendship because I've known you for so long. Because you are you and Kritika are my family. I feel you can share anything, whatever you feel, and you can come up to me with anything. Like, I would never let that affect our friendship. So again, but that's you and I. Suppose there's this guy or even a woman, like, let's just not even make it to opposite sex, even same sex, and then this person comes up to me and I've only known them for like 6 months, a year, and the friendship is not that strong. I might not want to be as good friend. Like, how do I
like
put this into
it
words?
would
I
jeopardize
might.
basically you it'll be a bit uncomfortable. You would not
Exactly,
it'll
exactly. The
change
situation is very,
it'll change the dynamic,
again,
right?
exactly. But again, it might change with that person. But now that we are putting in context with you and me, like, it would not
She's like,
change.
no matter what you do what you tell
No,
me, I will not
so
let it
Megha,
change. I will make one NRI joke and she's pissed for a week. And she's like, nahi, nahi,
no,
no
so
matter
Megha,
what happens.
Uh,
no, I wanted to interject and say, so Megha, like for example, like take Manas or another person who is like really close friend of yours.
Guys, मैं
So
perfect हूँ,
somewhere,
मेरे
I
मेरे
mean,
पे
do you
चीज़ apply
feel,
नहीं होती हैं. मैं perfect हूँ, मेरे पे apply नहीं होती
हाँ,
हैं. Just
हाँ,
letting you
हाँ,
know.
you're Jesus. Okay, so moving on. So people that you're very close to as friends.
yeah.
So when you get so close, you get comfortable, and there's a way of talking. You use like abe yaar chalna whatever, and you have
Yeah.
the friendly banter with that person.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
do you feel that once you enter a relationship, then suddenly the way you talk to each other, the way you address each other, like do you think those things will change, or because you have the comfort level of a friend, so that does not get affected?
So for me, again, so that's me, that's what I expect in a
Hmm.
relationship. So I have been friends with this person, and there's like different kind of dynamic when you're friends with them. And then when you get into a relationship, I have certain different expectations from them. So
Hmm.
me in a relationship, I would never address to my partner and in a certain way, like, "Hey, chal be, kya kar raha hai?" That's just not me. So I would expect the same from them, like from my partner, to
So tell,
not address me in the
so can I ask
same
you
way.
something? So tell me one thing.
Yeah.
So like for me, I have a different situation. Not situation. I have a different expectation. So I will deal with my person like how I am with my friends. I would expect that okay, first we'll be friends and then we'll be relationship. Like anything romantic will
Mm-hmm.
be an additional
Mm-hmm.
bonus point.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
I would expect that I would have a friendly banter. So you wouldn't expect that. You'll be like, nahin, nahin, it'll be a different thing. You wouldn't expect that from a romantic partner, right? That's what you're saying right now.
Mm-hmm. So I don't mind the friendly banter. Like, how do I explain this? Have, like, to put it in more clear words, like, yes, you can be fun with. I'm not taking out the fun aspect from the relationship. Yes, we can, I'm a fun person, guys. I'll
So
be okay
basically
with
what she's
that.
saying is कि मुझे घूंघट वाली जो बाहुबर है क्या होता है जो होता है क्या होता है कि जगिया और आनंदी के बीच में था नॉट फ्रेंडली बैंटर थोड़ा फॉर्मल टाइप सा AMG
But
और गोपी बहू टाइप सिचुएशन शी वांट्स दैट एवरीथिंग टू बी वेरी फॉर्मल हाउ डेयर यू
no,
कॉल मी
no,
अबे
that's
I
not
feel
that's
she's going to be a very formal girlfriend and a strict one. How dare
no,
AG,
like,
OG, मेरे
नो
होने वाले वो जी.
no, that's like I I don't know how to explain this. Like, when you get into a relationship, there are certain things that changes. No matter, like, that's what
Yeah,
I
so
believe. That's
yeah. So in your case, it does change. But for example, I'll give you my case. For example, if I
Hmm.
start dating my closest friend,
Mm-hmm.
for me, it's comfort to know that that I don't have to change a thing about myself because he already knows everything about me. And for me, that's a
Mm-hmm.
very comfortable place to be in, because it's not that
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to put my best foot forward, or I'm not trying to show an image to impress that person. He already knows how I am, and additional to that, if he likes me, that's just a great place to be in. So that's
Mm-hmm.
why if it's like I could continue that, and then there's a romantic aspect to that, then I think that's great in like, at least in my case. And Kritika might feel differently because we've not even asked her what's her perspective. Therefore, we should
Kritika is like, guys,
ask.
I'm the moderator here. I'm the HR. So if anything goes wrong, I'll be the one, solving everything.
Everyone
I'll be
gets
here.
equal
I'll
opportunity
conflict
here.
management.
Yeah, please, Miss Nitya,
सबको
please.
केक
Oh, sorry,
मिलेगा.
Kritika, please go ahead.
So I was just thinking that
सबको मिलेगा.
when we met, I mean, there was a feeling.
कृतिका कहती आप क्या बोल रही थी
See,
मैं
I think
Let
I
her
think I
speak,
zoned
guys.
out
Let her
in
speak.
between. Yeah, I might have just
Wow,
zoned
aren't we
out.
entertaining? ये participate करके हालत है, तो जो देख रहे हैं उनका
That's
क्या
on
होगा?
me.
she's going to be a recurring guest for sure.
Isn't that what podcast supposed to be?
Not
Kritika, go
exactly.
ahead. Kritika, what do you feel? Kritika, what do you feel? Please express your feelings towards us, the other person, towards me,
What do I feel about what?
We might
about
What was the
me.
topic, guys?
define
What's
people's
going
limits.
on?
She completely zoned out. She's like, "कि अच्छा मेरे को पता है." So Kritika, what do you think?
Are
Do you
we
think?
talking about why Manas is so annoying?
Sure.
Yeah, that's a recurring question.
That we have already established. Like that's no point of
The question
That
is,
discussing
ship
on
has
it.
sailed.
the question is, would you be comfortable after the other person who likes you confesses, and would you have the same dynamic with that person or not? That's the thing.
I think. See, it is tend to get awkward for at least
जैसे कि एक ही शादी नहीं होती.
just after they've confessed. No, yeah, I mean, but it will also depend on the kind of friendship that we have had before that. I think I would agree with Megha on that. Let's say if it's both of us, and if one of us is supposed to, I mean, let's say I confess tomorrow that I like you or something, then I don't think there might be that much of a change because I know I want you in my life. Okay, so I think there's that understanding between us. See, I don't share that same feeling like you do, but I respect that you came forward. But see, there's nothing I can do about it. I
See,
don't feel the
honestly,
same way.
I
I
would
don't
not.
feel romantically about you. Huh.
Yeah.
The thing is, you guys are like quite, sub above all this kind of thing. मेरे पास कभी कभी किसी ने nobody has confessed this. So if somebody comes up to me and be like कि मैं तेरे को like करता हूँ, मैं even if I'm not getting that person, I'll be like कि मेरे को कोई like करता है. So I would be on a different high
I'll be
altogether.
like, it will pass. It will pass. I'm sorry for you.
Oh, thank you.
Dude,
Aaj-
like this reminds me
You
of
know
a time.
what? Yeah.
This reminds
Another thing is that you can't blame another person for having feelings for you. That's not like, you can't blame them. They come and they go, and you have to be okay with that. So that's also another. Like, oh
ये
my god, how can he
guys
have feelings for me?
do not listen to any of these people. They are saying कि मैं यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ, ठीक है? Otherwise, actually, if somebody actually confesses their feelings to them, ये अगले दिन block कर देंगे, mute कर देंगे उसको. Do not play chances. This is not Hermione
You-
and Ron.
You
ठीक है?
have to take the
Be
plunge. You cannot know. You
ये
cannot
कोई
know.
मूवी चल रही है ना, यश राज की, confess कर रहे हैं. Guys, take your time. Be
reality.
be smart
don't you
about it.
feel like don't you feel it's always, if you're friends with this person and you have certain things, don't you feel it's always better to just let them know? Because I mean,
Yeah.
why be secretly in love with them? Because it's only gonna hurt you in the long
See,
long run. Just
because-
come forward with it. If they feel the same way, great. If they don't, you get a chance to move on. You'll be like,
because
Yeah.
the thing,
Okay.
I'll be very honest, people do not take it very see, thing is, it's very subjective, like you said. Usually the common reaction is people do not take it well. They're like, oh my god, this person sees me this way, I बहुत awkward हो जाएगा, I'm not comfortable sharing my crushes, my
Have you
daily.
experienced this before, or are you assuming?
No, I've seen people call it happening it to people.
You've seen
That's
others.
so that's what I'm telling you, this actually happens. So be a good judge of character. See how you would have an idea how would that person feel if things go south. If they don't like you back, you know they might feel uncomfortable. Anyway, guys, we have talked too much about it. Let's move left. Let's shift right now. So the thing is, मैं भूल गया क्या बोलने वाला था. Anywho,
As
so
usual.
yeah, thank you so much. Guys, tell us, why are we not in a relationship? I want to
Who
know
said
this.
we are not?
Oh my god.
Aren't we? We are. We are a
Yeah.
throuple.
It started with polygamy, and we were like group of 8 or 10 people. Now it just reduced to
Yeah,
just 3 people.
exactly. Because we understand each other so well.
Too well, too well. Sometimes
Too
Megha,
well.
yeah, it's just
We
There
talk
could be
about our
skeletons
poop
in the
patterns.
closet.
oh my god. Let's not discuss that
That's
here.
that's my
Oh, let's
theory
not-
as well. Huh. But I've not found another person with whom I can share the kind of relationship I share with you.
I think we are cursed.
Wow, wow, bringing it. The reason I think the thing is, I think why I'm not dating anyone is I have different priorities in life. I'll
Because you
tell
have 2 beautiful women in your life.
Chal
Oh,
na.
sorry, 3 beautiful women.
don't don't push it. Okay? The reason, see,
Shut up.
I'll give an instance. Okay, so last night I was really stressed, and let me tell you what I was stressed about. My reel, I made a reel about I spent like 4 hours on this Tom Melody Toffee reel, did everything, kamar dard kar rahi bure wali, and I made that reel, and only 30 people liked it out of 11 or 1200 people. Only 30 people liked it, and I usually get like 150 likes, and achanak se ye, it was like sort of disturbing. बहुत दुख हो रहा था. So I could not comprehend that, and it was 1 o'clock. I usually sleep at 1:30, and at 1 o'clock I'm contemplating my life. I'm discussing with every person that is awake at that time, and I know, hi, mere likes क्यों नहीं आ रहे. You see, do you think I'm the kind of person who would get into some relationship or do anything? रात को, we have discussed nighttime activities in the last episode. Do you think I have the same priorities as somebody who would be in a relationship? I just want to say that.
Depends on if you want to be in a relationship, and
But I also
if
believe
you
it's a, I think it's the intention. Megha, Kritika and I, we have been friends for like so long, since 2008, and we have been like so close, almost like a family. I would not call it behan bhai wali cheez, because I have plenty of sisters and I do not want more than that. Take it. बहुत हो गया. I like my sponsors, but the thing is, ये भी friendship में काफी पावन रिश्ता होता है, ठीक है? So
Yeah.
it's a very different bonding altogether. But I think we have gotten it from like every single person. I think याद है metro में भी किसी ने पूछा था, why are you not dating and everything. It's like just so
I
awkward.
think I've gotten this question from all of my other friends. Like,
जल को
are
करे.
you and Manas dating? Just, oh.
I mean, guys, look at my face. Do you think I can land anybody?
Yeah.
I'm doing a podcast. I make food pictures. Who? Different priorities. Anyway, guys, but the
His
thing,
priority is कि गुजिया डालूं या कचौड़ी.
Manas, your situation is water everywhere, not a drop to drink. That's exactly what the situation is.
I'm in a
You're
pool.
surrounded
and
with so many women, and yet you don't have a chance with a single one.
अपनी ना देख तो ना,
Ironic.
I am beating myself down, थोड़ा self depreciating humor, and then these people are taking उंगली दी हाथ खींच लिया, ये तो खुशी हो गई, कहीं और चले गए. Calm down.
Be your closest friends, you never know what's going on in his or her mind, and also if it's you should know if it's one-sided or if it's all in your head. So yeah, keep your eyes and ears open, because you never know. Maybe
And
you're
always,
on
yeah.
dating apps and the person you're meant to be with has been with you all along.
Yeah.
So
So always
never
have
know.
an open mind. If your friend
Yeah.
comes up to you and share their feelings, like don't be don't just close them off.
Mature,
Like,
don't be
yeah,
mature.
yeah.
And don't
be,
and don't
like, have-
blame your friend for having feelings for you, because that's not his or her
Exactly.
fault.
Yeah.
It's not.
Yeah.
It's wrong to make them feel bad about that.
yeah.
So
एक तो ना
It's-
इनकी
yeah.
सुनो मत. I'm just telling you guys, these people are such fraud people. ठीक है? Right now they're like कि, नहीं, keep an open
अरे?
mind. If somebody confesses your feelings to you, let it just take all the compliments. But in reality, if somebody comes to either one of you, I know for a fact they will be like, "Ay yaar, that person
like I have experience. Okay, few of my
Oh.
friends had confessed to me, not you, you never did. Like, but back in 8th and 9th grade, like few of my friends did
Oh my
come up to
God.
me and confessed, and I like I was still okay with it because I appreciated that it did actually tell me, like instead of just keeping it
Yeah.
inside. And
Okay, so
I
how's your
feel
dynamic
It takes
now?
a lot of
and
courage to do that. It takes a lot
it
of
takes a
courage to
lot
do
of
that.
courage, and I did,
Yes.
and I, no matter what, I would still respect their feelings. Like I would not
Mm.
just be that kind of friend. Oh
Yeah.
no, like, stay away from me, I'm sorry, no, I
Yeah.
can't do that. Like,
Yeah.
and
Let's
I don't
Yeah.
think anyone should.
let's ask the important question. So where are those people? What's the dynamic now between you and them? Hmm.
Just Instagram,
Acquaintance, followers.
Yeah,
friends,
I also
Yeah.
feel
acquaintance.
they
See,
were
guys,
not your
guys.
friend. They were always into you, and that's why, the whole friendship thing
Exactly. I think
started.
that,
They were not
that
actually
this
friends.
also takes us back to that saying that Nitya talked
That's a Canadian name, Nitya.
Nitya. Nitya. Yeah. Go
that
on,
Nitya
Megha.
talked about. He, like, your intentions, like it does matter. Like,
Mm.
why are you being friends with this person? Because I feel like all these ex friends of mine, they became my friends because they were in already attracted to me. If that makes sense. Like they didn't become my friends just for the whole purpose of being friends with me. I think they
Yeah,
Got
yeah,
it,
had
got
yeah.
it, got it, got
They
it.
just
yeah,
wanted to get close to you, so you didn't know their
exactly,
intentions. But you
exactly,
thought they were friends because in your mind they were friends, but in their mind they
exactly.
had something else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that
And
kind
sometimes
of
people
changes.
go to extremes. Like, how is she not liking back? I mean,
Oh,
I've seen
yeah,
people, and I think Megha can relate to what I'm saying here.
yeah,
We
yeah,
all know the
dude.
backs.
I've Yeah, I know this is I mean, you can just cut this conversation off, but this takes me back to this one guy who asked me out, like, hey, I like you, and blah blah blah. And it's like, I don't feel the same way for you. And then this guy had the audacity to go ahead and talk to my friend and his friends, and then they because I said no, um he told one of my friends, like, she's not that special if she thinks that just because I asked her out.
My
So,
God.
like, she's not that
So he basically
all.
his ego got hurt because you
Yeah,
refused.
yeah,
So
Mm.
so
But I
guys,
think in Kritika's case, in
so
Kritika's,
guys, you need to respect the other person's feelings and also be prepared to get rejected, and you cannot blame
yeah,
another person for rejecting you.
dude,
That's
at
this
least
yeah.
is
in
so not
Megha's
fair.
case, the guy at least, took
You
rejection to a
can't
different
force
direction.
the person to be in a relationship, right?
Exactly.
Hmm.
But I think Kritika had a different, different ending, or it's still continuing. I don't think the guy she rejected, took it the same way. Kritika, do you want
Who?
to
Yeah,
share?
so it was about a
Oh,
guy.
don't say it,
Oh my
Kritika. Oh my
god.
God.
Boop, boop, beep.
Oh my
TD.
No,
God.
so I was talking about a guy who had actually liked Megha and she had rejected him. So he walked up to me and said कि ask her to कि उसको कहना बच के रहे. Like,
Yeah,
are you threatening
yeah.
seriously?
Oh
Just
my
because
Also,
God.
she said no?
yeah, dude, yeah. So this is like another guy. I was talking about some other guy in back in school. So this was another guy. So do you see the pattern here? Like, do you see, like,
Yeah.
this again? This is off topic. This takes us to this toxic masculinity. Ki, oh, if the girl said no, so it's not like ye nahi hai ki, they have, like, it
They
hurts their ego
they
so
cannot
much.
take
Like,
it.
they
They
need to
cannot take
prove.
rejection. They cannot
Huh,
take
they
rejection.
cannot take
They can't.
rejections. Like, this is
And the funny thing
Mm.
is, their rejection, they would outpour the love when they would get rejected on me, and so I suffer the consequences. Let's just say that.
And
Quite.
now one more conversation is coming to my head. Sorry, again off topic. So रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. But anyhow, so this guy, the same guy who talked to Kritika about it, कि बच के रहना. So then he kept harassing me on social media. He would text me on Facebook. So I have like, I was done with it. So I oh, you just stopped texting me, and I wrote all of this stuff. Like, replied this to him, and then I was like, if you don't stop, I'm going to tell my parents and they'll file a complaint against you for it because you have been harassing me on social media. Then this guy again,
my God.
he goes to one of my friends and he's like, oh, wo kya samajh rahi hai, usne jo mere ko aise, I'll show that to her parents. Like usko laga ki me, because he was harassing me and uska maine jab reply kiya, I matched his energy. Like he was threatening me with that. Like कि उसने भी तो ये चीज करी है, like she gave me what like she gave the same energy back to me.
That's
The
really
dude,
toxic. That's really
the dude
toxic.
literally equated just saying somebody's no in an aggressive way because you have
Haan.
poked the person so much to harassment. Like it's a whole different
Seriously.
topic that we can
Messed up. Yeah,
we can spend a whole day talking about it.
actually.
So
It's
guys,
delusional for him to believe that he could actually woo you by the way he harassed you after that.
I know.
Like
I know.
if you would find that attractive. So yeah.
Yeah.
I literally laughed at his face when he was threatening. I'm like, are you threatening? Okay, go ahead. Do what you want to do. Sure. He was just like, are you really laughing at me? I'm like, yes. I want to laugh harder.
I was just thrown
It's
off.
cool, dude.
I was just thrown off the
Yeah.
stairs. So that's a different situation.
Oh shit! Really,
Wow.
What, really?
I'm sorry for laughing.
dude? When did this happen?
Dude, the vice principal threatened him to suspend him, and then he apologized.
I thought the vice principal pushed you off the stairs.
Huh?
Wow. Yeah.
Fuck. Do you remember?
Oh, please. ये ना पिट पाएगी. So anywho, guys, we have to do some editing. We had to clip some parts because they could not hold themselves back, and we had a good gossip session. So, guys, the thing is the thing we want to end with is you all are losers because you believe in monogamy. We are thriving in polygamy, and you should learn something. But we are not here to do that. So we are going to end
DM
our-
us for tips.
Yeah, so if you want us some tips, or if you want us to talk about something, you can email us at aurbatapodcast@gmail.com or with our podcast @gmail.com. You can also DM us on Instagram at podcast, or you can comment down below what you want us to talk about or any tips on
Like, share,
how-
subscribe, guys.
yeah, do that too.
Yes.
Comment down below.
Yeah. So all we have for today. Thank you so much, Megha and Kritika, for being our guest host. We really appreciate it.
Hey, social niceties.
Guys, you can
Thank you for inviting us.
yeah, you can expect them not to return back because I have held them for so long.
And Kritika's not being allowed to cook
I'll
dinner
be-
because of us.
I know. I'll be expecting my check in a week's time.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting you that. Okay, bye guys. Say bye.
Bye.